vertigo or the Dolby zoom effect. An object remains at the same place, but the whole background gets closer and closer to the camera. We being the editing geeks, why not try to fake Dolby zoom effect? So let's get into my computer and then I'll show you how this is done. I just want to reverse it, alright? So just reverse it, reverse the speed. Now what happens is it zooms in, and this is the last frame that we want to keep, right? Let me select the last clip here, and now what I want to do is just cut it here, just zoom in here and just cut it at this part. Now I just want to duplicate it and keep it on top of this. So yeah, this is too small, you cannot even see it when you zoom out. You cannot even see it when you zoom out, right? This is too small of clip. And now let's just decrease the opacity of this clip. Okay, let's go here, and this. What you want to do this is you want to keyframe your original footage and just frame it like it should be at the end of the clip, like how it looks at the end of the clip is like this. And we want to change the position and scale of our original footage to look exactly the same, right? So that's why I told you to download some 4K footage or capture some 4K footage, because when you are scaling too much you will obviously lose the quality. Let's just decrease the opacity here. Alright, so you can see both the clips. Now let's go here, let's set a keyframe of zoom and position here. Let's just zoom in the clip. You have to make this as precise as possible so that it looks good and real. So yeah, now it's pretty much done. Let's just close this at the end of the clip. Keyframe here and change the position to original, like 1. Yeah, so that's the Dolby zoom effect that you can try. Obviously the quality is very low at the beginning, and as we gradually move to the end of the clip it looks super nice. You can just cut the front part of your footage there, which is kind of blurry, and you just use the middle section of the video, and look at that, it looks super smooth. We'll see you in the next one. I hope you like this video. Yeah, that's it.